supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I meant to. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. It is your girl L-A-L, L to the A to the L. Thanks for tuning in today, y'all. So y'all, my little sister just graduated and I'm actually about to head over to my mom's house for the gathering for her. So I just wanted to go ahead. I wanted to be like really like comfortable and cute, you know, simple today. And so I decided to go ahead and do a video on this Amazon loc wig. It's a faux loc wig that I got from Amazon. I love how tiny the locks are, but I want y'all to sit tight in your seats to see how quick and easy she is to put her on. If you have short hair like me, I did end up taking her off and putting her back on with a wig grip. I had to grab my wig grip just so she could be, you know, more secure, especially when I was gonna pull her up like this. But I'm just showing y'all her down, and then, you know, this little pony, she's pretty half down, self-explanatory. So let me show you her length. This is the length that she's working with, but I'll give y'all the rest of the deets during the video. So I hope y'all find this video helpful. These headband wigs are super affordable, and it's so nice when you ain't got to sit there and get locks or braids for hours, and you like to change your look up as much as I do, because ain't nothing necessarily wrong with braids. If my hair was longer, possibly, but the braids would pull on my edges. My edges were always like really delicate, and you know, my hair is curly and stuff, and it would just pull my hair out. So I just prefer a wig if I could get it in a wig. So anyway, let me show y'all what she looks like fresh out the package, and I will drop the rest of the deets throughout the video. So please join the fam. If you have not made it official, you will become one of my lovelies officially. Once you do that, it's free, baby. It don't cost you anything, so go ahead and make it happen. Don't forget to you want to tap the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my vids. You'll know whenever I upload a vid. All right, my love, so we're gonna get on with this video because I gotta get on out of here very shortly, and your girl's gonna catch you next time. This one was really short and to the point. So like I said, I hope y'all find it helpful, and if y'all thinking about trying her, you know, just let me know in the comments, would you rock a Faux Loc headband wig? All right, my loves, later.
위험해 이 순간 분위기가 심장이 뛰고 있네. 아무 생각 안 나게 꽉 끌어서 타이트하게 널 감싸줄래. 상상만 했던 너의 실루엣이 내 눈앞에. 난 느낌대로 가는 거야. Oh no baby. 내가 할게 리듬, 넌 내가 시키는 대로 해. 너와 나만 아는 비밀이야, 서로 위로해. 이불을 꽉 져줘, let's roleplay. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. 취한 거면 그냥 생각 좀 하. 못해. Take me to